Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Tidewater Beach Resort by Panhandle Getaways. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 3 swimming pools, beachfront, parking, free Wi-Fi and a bar. Located on the beach, Tidewater Beach Resort features 2 outdoor pools with hot tubs, a heated indoor pool, and free Wi-Fi. The shopping and dining of Pier Park are only 1.1 miles away. Apartments offer a cable TV with DVD player, in-unit laundry facilities, and a private bathroom. The full kitchen is equipped with an oven, stovetop, toaster, dishwasher, microwave, and refrigerator. The fitness center includes a steam room and sauna. Guests can watch a movie in the theater or play in the games room. A restaurant, coffee shop, and Tiki bar are also featured on site. In the surroundings, guests can explore Shipwreck Island Waterpark, which is 4.1 miles away, or go to the Gulf World Marine Park that is 1.3 miles from the Panama City Beach Resort. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.